Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Home Depot Workday account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in mythdhr.com/ess.html. Make sure to type ESS in all caps, then press enter. And now this will take you into the Home Depot self-service page. From this page, just click on the Workday option and this will now take you into the Workday login portal. Just enter your user ID that you have set up while creating your Workday account within the user ID box, and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. Then click on the sign in button and now you will be logged in to your Home Depot Workday account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Home Depot Workday. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.